Hi students. Today I am going to discuss about chapter what is inside the atom. Okay, in the chapter we will discuss about the isotopes, isobars. Okay, next one atomic numbers and mass numbers. Okay, first we know atomic number. What is meant by atomic number? What is meant by atomic number? Okay, the atomic number symbol is represented as it is represented it is represented by capital Z. Okay, atomic number means the number of protons or number of electrons. Okay, the number of protons or number of electrons in a neutral neutral atom neutral atom are known as a atomic number. Okay, number of electrons or number of protons in a neutral atom are known as a atomic number. Okay, it is represented by capital Z. Next one, mass number. Mass number. It is represented by. It is represented by. Represented by capital A. It is represented by capital A. Mass number is defined as the sum of the number of protons and nucleons. Sorry, the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in a atom are known as a mass number. Okay, the sum of protons and neutrons. Sum of protons and neutrons in a atom are known as a mass number. Mass number. Okay, mass number. Okay, it is represented by capital A. How to identify the symbol of element and atomic number and mass numbers? Okay, we can write the representation. Already previous class discussed about the capital X, A, Z. Okay, sorry. This is A, this is Z. Where Z is the atomic number, A is the mass number, A is the mass numbers. Mass numbers is also known as nucleons. Okay, nucleons. Okay, nucleons. Nucleon. Nucleons means protons plus neutrons. Protons plus neutrons are known as a nucleon. Okay, that is the representation of the symbol of the elements. Okay, next we explain the isotopes. What is meant by isotopes? Isotopes. What is meant by isotopes? The atoms of elements having, okay, the atoms of elements, the atoms of same elements have same atomic number, same atomic number, same atomic number, but different, but different, but different mass numbers, but different mass numbers are known as a isotopes, are known as a isotopes. Okay, for example, we know that hydrogen exists three types of isotopes, that is H11, H12 and H13. Okay, we observe that this is the hydrogen is the same element, that is the mass atomic number is 1 same atomic numbers, but mass numbers are different. 1 2 3. Okay, this is known as a we H11 is called hydrogen, hydrogen. H12 called deuterium, deuterium. H13 is called tritium, tritium is also represent T13, T13. Deuterium is also represent D12. Okay, these are called isotopes. Next one, 12, 24. Carbon 6, 612, carbon 614. Okay, these are also isotopes. This is a 612, 614. Okay, same atomic number but different mass numbers. Okay, next another example we take chlorine. Chlorine, its atomic number is 17 and its mass number is 35.25. Okay, 17, 37. Okay, these are isotopes. Okay, these are isotopes. Okay, isotopes. Next one, what is meant by isobars? Isobars means atoms of elements, atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers but same mass numbers are known as the isobars. Okay, isobars. Okay, isobars. Atoms of different atoms of different elements, atoms of different elements having same mass numbers. Okay, same mass numbers but different atomic numbers, atomic numbers are known as a isobars. Okay, isobars. For example, argon, potassium, okay, potassium and calcium. Argon atomic number is 18, mass number is 40, this is 19, this is also exist 40, calcium 20, this is also exist 40. Okay, atoms of elements are different and its mass number is same. Okay, argon, potassium, calcium. Okay, mass numbers is same, but atomic numbers are different. These are called isobars. These are called isobars. For example, nitrogen 714, carbon 614. These are called isobars due to okay nitrogen atomic number 7, mass number 14. Okay, 16 sorry 614 carbon that is also exists. These are called isobars. That is the examples of the isobars. What is the difference between the isotopes and isobars? Okay, next, what is the difference between the isotopes and isobars? Okay, in these isotopes, atomic numbers are same. Isobars, atomic numbers are different. Okay, atomic numbers are different. Okay, next one. These mass numbers are different. In this mass numbers are same. Mass numbers are same. Okay. In these isotopes, in any isotopes, number of protons are same. Okay. Number of protons are same. Okay. Number of protons are same. In isobars, number of protons are different. Okay. Number of protons are different. Okay. In isotopes, physical properties are different. In isobars, physical properties are same. Okay, next last point. Isotopes, these are cannot be separated, cannot be separated easily. Okay, these are easily separated. Okay, easily separated. Most of the isotopes chemical properties are similar, but in isobars chemical properties are different. That is the differences. Okay, isotopes have atomic numbers are same, isobars have atomic numbers are different, and isotopes mass numbers are different, and isobars mass numbers are same. Number of protons are same in any isotopes. Okay, isotope set. Okay, number of protons are different in isobars. Physical properties are different. Next, in isobars, physical properties are same. Okay, physical properties are different in isotopes due to mass is different masses. So therefore, physical properties are different. Okay, in this mass is same. Therefore, physical property physical properties are same. Okay, these are easily separated, but isotopes are cannot be separated easily. That is the differences. Okay, next one, how to calculate the average atomic masses of isotopes. Okay, how to calculate the average atomic masses of isotopes. Okay, how to calculate the atomic masses of isotopes. Okay, atomic masses of isotopes. Okay, for example, we know that chlorine is exist as a Cl17 and 35. Next, it is also okay. Cl1735 chlorine is exist in nature. It is also exist in 17. Okay, 1737. Okay, 1737. Okay, in nature, Cl1735 it is exist as a 75 percentage. It is also exist 25 percentage in nature. How to calculate the average atomic mass of these isotopes? Okay, average atomic mass of an atom equal to atomic mass of atomic mass of atomic mass of an atom. This is we assume A. For example, this is A1. This is A2. Okay, atomic mass of A1 into abundance percentage abundance plus okay percentage abundance. Next, atomic mass of A2 into percentage abundance. Okay, percentage abundance. Okay, percentage abundance by 100. That is the calculation of the average atomic mass of an element. Okay, average atomic mass of an atom equal to atomic mass of an atom A1 into percentage abundance plus atomic mass of A2 into percentage abundance by 100. Okay, that is the formula of the calculation of the average atomic mass of okay atoms. Okay, first we calculate the chlorine. Okay, chlorine. Okay, its chlorine atomic number is 17. Its mass number is 35. It is exist in nature 75 percentage. Next isotope of chlorine. It exists as a 1737. It exists in nature 25 percentage. Therefore, average atomic mass, average atomic mass, average atomic mass of chlorine equal to okay, its atomic mass is 35 into 35 into percentage abundance means 75 by 75 plus, okay, 75. Next, next isotope is 37. 37 into 25 by 100. 25 by 100. Therefore, answer is 35.25. We calculate the, okay, answer is 35.5. Therefore, chlorine atomic mass is 35.5. This is the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. That is the average atomic mass of an element. Next, 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 average atomic mass of boron. Okay, calculate the average atomic mass of boron. Boron is exist B10 is 19.1 percentage and B11 is 88.9 percentage. Okay, 88.9 percentage. Therefore, average atomic mass of boron equal to atomic mass of boron 10 into percentage abundance. Okay, average atomic mass of boron equal to atomic mass of B10 into percentage of abundance. Okay, percentage abundance plus atomic mass of B11 into percentage abundance. Okay, percentage abundance by 100. Therefore, 10 into 19.1 plus 11 into 88.9 by 100. Therefore, approximately that is the 11. Okay. Therefore, the average atomic mass of, okay, average atomic mass of boron is 11. That is the answer. Okay. Next one, how to calculation of number of neutrons, number of protons, number of electrons in any atoms. Okay, calculation of calculation of number of neutrons. Okay, for example, Fe 26, 56, potassium 19, 39, okay, sodium 11, 23. Calculation of number of neutrons. Okay, number of neutrons equal to atomic mass, that is the represent A minus atomic number, that is Z. Okay, simply A minus Z. Okay, in iron number of neutrons equal to 56 minus 26, that equal to 30. In potassium number of neutrons equal to 39 minus 19, that equal to 20. Okay, in sodium number of neutrons equal to 23 minus 11, therefore 12. Okay, number of neutrons equal to atomic mass minus atomic number, that is the number of neutrons. Okay, 56 minus 26 equal to 30, that is the number of neutrons in iron is 30. Next, in potassium, mass number is 39. Okay, atomic number is 19, therefore 20. Number of neutrons in sodium is 23 minus 11, that equal to 12. That is the calculation of number of neutrons. Okay, thank you.